Hello guys, how are you on a Tuesday morning, April? So I already analyzed the dollar index a little bit, but I can go through and try to explain to you guys. So let's start on the big time frame. The video has to be like around 10 minutes. So I'll be quick. I'll go on the dollar. I'll go through the dollar and I'll go through USDJPY and I'll go through AUD. So let's go. So on the daily time frame, as you see, the market came here. It's our support. On our support, the trend has been like a downtrend. You see the lower lows, lower highs, you see, and it went down, came here. So here, this is where the market was stuck and it did a double bottom. Then it was broken here, and currently we can say it's a retest to this level, but we'll zoom in to see what is happening. So it's either the market will come down here or even come here or it will shoot up there. So let's see on the lower time frames. This is H1, getting close H1. So on the H1, this is our double bottom, the one that you saw on the daily time frame. It was broken, and then the market went back inside again, our double bottom, and then that's when we saw this first touch, second touch, and it broke. So this is a retest, our retest, unless it crosses here, unless it breaks here to the upside. That's when our setup won't be valid, our trade won't be valid, our stop losses here. But what the market can do, it can break here and still come back inside, or it will break here, retest here, and then shoot up. But I'm currently looking for selling it. Like as you see, my entry level is here. So I have what I call QMLs. It's like head and shoulder. So this is the first shoulder, and this is the head, and the second one is here. So there's the entry, the stop loss is there, so the TP is here. So let's actually quickly go on USDJPY. USDJPY most of the times is like the dollar. Yes, so let's see how it looks. I already analyzed it, but we can start this one so that we are clear on what type of setup we go for. So as you see, I will definitely start on the bigger time frame. So let me see. I think the H1 is good. Or let me start on the daily, and I hope time is not going that fast. So the market is actually here, and it's a downtrend, as you see, guys. The lows, lower highs, lows, and it came here and it broke and got back inside, and then to here, and then did that retest. This level is a very important level, as you see. It was respected a lot of times. So guys, I don't literally go back there because I am not a swing, like a long-term trader. I swing sometimes on daily trade, but I don't have to go back there. So yeah, the current market, what is happening? So now, as you see, it's either the market will break to the downside, or it will reverse, continue this uptrend. But the whole big trend is a downtrend. So let's see if we can find the sales plus our dollar index is selling. So we are on H1 now. We went quick on H1. As I see that first touch and second touch, just like from the dollar, and I see a good retest there. So let's zoom in and see the story, the real story. Yes, let's make sure the touches are perfect. Yes, first touch, second touch, and the third touch was broken, and this is our retest. So my entry will definitely come. It's actually very good currently. So let me check the H4 to see the candlesticks that are appearing. Yeah, so this is a good setup. Let's say you were to enter here, and your stop loss is there. Stop loss is there. Then your TP will be here. We can take it down there, but let's put it here because it's a daily trade. I don't like the risk here, but it's fine. Let me see. Yes, it's proper. Let me see on the H1 so that I can see if the risk is good, because I do 1:3. What I see is, okay, my entry is supposed to be here. My entry is supposed to be on the third touch, on the short time frame, on the lower time frame. If you put this trend line here, you'll see that touch. So my entry is supposed to be here. So here, then stop loss, of course, at the top here, and TP here. So this is fine. This is fine. I would risk this for the day. Yes. So we are good with this one. You see, broke and retested it 1, 2, 3. Yes. So I wait for a proper retest. Even after this big retest, I wait for a small retest on the short time frames so that I can enter. You see, I wait for small retest. You see here's a big retest, so I have to wait for small retest to enter to make sure. In my session, of course, from London session to your session. So let's go to AUDUSD quickly before our time goes. So let's see. It has to be very simple. Okay, so this one I analyzed it before and I swear it was simple. Just head and shoulder type of pattern, but not a perfect one. So I don't have to go on the big time frame like the weekly or so. I daily trade and I already confirmed with the dollar. So here I'll be, what will I be? Okay, sometimes they go different or the same directions, even though it's AUDUSD. Sometimes they go the same direction. You don't know, man. The market is unpredictable. Yeah, but the skill will make you win, and consistency. So as you see, the market broke here. This is like head and shoulder. Let me mark it. I see my first. Yes, it's not a perfect one, of course. The market is not perfect. The first short is here. The second one is here. No, the first short is here. The head is here. The second short is here. Sorry, I'm in a rush, so I'm trying to finish the video so that everything is clear. Definitely, this is H4. So let's see the big time frame so that we shouldn't skip the big rules, of course. So as you see, the market has been going down from the top there. It has been going down. It's been going down, low, high, like down, and it broke these levels, and it broke this one here. So let's see, let's respect this level, the current one that the market broke. It broke it and ranged. It's like a correction, it's like an impulse correction. So we are looking for a sell. It's been a short sell, and now we have our confirmation head and shoulders. So yes, guys, watch the full video. Of course, if you're here, you're already on the full video, and like there, subscribe, comment to see where we can learn together, because we are all learning every single day. No one is perfect in the markets, man. That's what I like. Even the OGs, we're all learning. So the entry